Let's look at the dataset once before we move forward. The dataset most of the times is going to have this structure. In the columns, you can see that we have different variables such as order line, order ID, order date, sales amount, and quantity. These are also known as fields. So the fields will be available in the columns. Each row contains one instance or one example. These rows are also known as records. Having a data like this is not advisable. That is, we should not have fields in the rows and records in the columns, because then Data Studio may not pick up the variables properly. So always try to have your data in this format where the fields are in columns and records are in rows.